Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. Today we're making chicken wings. So I like to take these wings, buy them whole, way cheaper that way, and they're still a little frozen. So we'll cut the joints off, save these for chicken stock, don't throw that out. Get all those off first. You want to go right between the joint. I use a cheaper knife too because if you hit the bone it's going to dull it. I'd rather not ruin my good knives. Now we'll go right here. Oh, don't hit the bone. Go right about there. These are still a little too frozen, but you see the seam right there. Put them on a cookie sheet with aluminum foil on it. Sprinkle the tops with salt. Help crisp them up. Don't need a lot. Now we will throw them in the oven under the broiler on high. Put those in the broiler for about 20 minutes. We're going to make a blue cheese dipping sauce, and I'll show you to do that now. Food processor. We start with a cup and a half of mayo. 1/3 cup red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, 120 grams of blue cheese crumble. Put a top on it and pulse. Now, an additional 120 grams of blue cheese. We will pulse that 2 or 3 times. Now we'll transfer this to a container and put it in the fridge. There we are. Let that sit in the fridge, thicken up. 20 minutes is up. We'll get the wings out from underneath the broiler, get them ready for the deep fryer. There they are. They look nasty. It's all right, we're gonna fix that here in a minute. I like to transfer them to another cookie sheet with foil on it. Put paper towels down. You want to really make sure that these are dry because you don't want to have any issues with the fryer and water. For our buffalo sauce, it's a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo, a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Just put it over medium heat until it starts to bubble, and then shut the heat off. After 3 minutes at 325 degrees, we pull these up. We'll turn this up to 375, and we'll put them in for another 3 minutes. Wings are done. Let's pull them out, season them, and then we'll sauce them. Let's hit them up with a little SPG. Give them a toss. Put a little bit of our buffalo sauce in there, or all of it. Give that a toss, and then we'll plate it. They're done. Now, it's time to try it. I'm excited. Let me throw this green away. Try a drum just by itself. Man, that looks good. Nice and crunchy. Let's try a flat. They're far superior with the blue cheese dressing that I made. It looks wonderful. Sauce isn't too spicy, got a little kick to it. Nice little sweetness on the back end. That's a video on how I do my wings. I like to broil them with some salt on it, get the skin crispy for when they go into deep fryer. 3 minutes at 325, 3 minutes at 375. Some blue cheese, mayo, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, garlic. Perfect dipping sauce. Celery, because it goes with it. Yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos that we just put out. We're gonna be having more coming out in the future. See ya.